Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna show you in this video how we install Expel Fusion Plus on Tesla Model Y 2022. In this video, we're gonna show you the whole process, how we're gonna wash, clay bar, polish, and finally install Fusion Plus. Why we install Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating? Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating is hydrophobic ceramic coating. It protects, it gives you the best protection for your car. We also offer 3 different packages for ceramic coating. First package is 1 layer, which comes with 2-year warranty. Second package is 2 layers of coat, and it comes with 5-year warranty. And the third package is 5 layers of coat, which comes with lifetime warranty. Alright guys, if you're ready, we're gonna show you how to do it. Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we'll show you the process of ceramic coating installation. We'll be installing ceramic coating on Tesla Model Y 2022. It's a brand new car on which will be already installed Expel XR Plus ceramic tint all around, including windshield and sunroof. We'll also install full front Expel PPF to protect paint from rock chips. Our customer decided to install ceramic coating on top of PPF. As we mentioned, we'll be using Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. By installing ceramic coating, you will eliminate waxing of your car. Ceramic coating will make your car hydrophobic and easy for maintenance. The first step in ceramic coating installation process is to pressure wash the car and remove any dust and dirt. In our next step, we'll use a foam cannon to wash and remove any grease and other contamination from the paint. After that, we'll rinse it off and get it ready for the next step. Now we're ready to clay bar our car. We'll be using soapy water and a fine grade clay bar. Why do we need to clay bar the car before ceramic coating and PPF installation? Clay bar pulls contaminants like water spots, brake dust, metal dust, industrial pollution, and road grit from the clear coat. When you use the clay bar lubricant, those contaminants come loose from the car and get stuck safely in the clay, so we don't damage the clear coat. In the next step, we can see Alex getting ready to polish the car. We'll be using rupees with yellow polishing pot. Before ceramic coating or PPF installation, we'll check the car and let customer know if car needs stage 1 or stage 3 or 2 polish. In this case, we'll have a brand new car and we'll be doing stage 1 polish all around. After polish, we'll remove compound from the paint and get it ready for ceramic coating installation. As we mentioned earlier, we'll be using Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Fusion Plus ceramic coating bonds at the molecular level to seal and protect surface from environmental contaminants, harmful UV rays, and insect acids. Its hydrophobic properties repel dirt and liquids, making surfaces easier to clean. Again, we'll apply ceramic coating on the paint and on top of paint protection film to extend the life of PPF. Thank you, and if you have any questions about PPF, ceramic coating, and a tint, feel free to contact us.